Let's bring in Chris Hyzy now. He is the Chief Investment Officer with Merrill and Bank of America Private Bank. Chris, thank you for being here tonight. Are you heartened at all by the way the market closed and by the way futures look now? Does it tell you anything about where we are?
You know, you would like to think it tells you a lot, and you certainly would like to say we're heartened by that, because we'll take any kind of rally, whether it's 1 minute or the last hour or the 15 minutes to close. I would say this, though, Scott. You know, the big issue outside of the very serious health crisis is this interplay between the reaction function of what the containment is of this crisis on the health side into the broader economy, obviously, and into the financial markets. And they all have very different timing elements to it, so it's very difficult to quantify. So I would say this. In terms of what to do and what to watch, in terms of being heartened, there are 5 specific things that you should look at. The first one is capital has to flow, Scott, more freely, and we haven't seen that yet. And apparently in the next couple of days, you'll start to see some of the new tools and facilities put in place and actually filter into the system. So that's number one. Capital has to flow more freely. Number 2, bonds versus equities. We need to see that relationship, that inverse relationship, become more normal again, and it hasn't, as you have witnessed in the last couple of weeks. 3, volatility needs to recede when there are down markets. We had a little bit of that today towards the close. And then 4th, you need the dollar that's been sharply accelerating, which chokes off the emerging markets, chokes off the non-U.S. economies even more so. That strength needs to slow down and crest. And last but not least, and this is something that we're not going to see for quite some time yet, which is the bad news flow needs to start to be ignored by the market, and we're quite a few ways away.
We will